Alright guys, so we've modelled our nut and bolt. Now let's look at putting them together. Okay, so first things first, what we want to do is we want to go to File, New, and this time, instead of clicking Part, click Assembly. Okay, that. Alright, okay, so slightly different layout for this one. Yeah, so it's already come up with our folder there that we can put our part in. Okay, so as you can see, here we've got, instead of features there, we've got assembly, insert components, linear patterns, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so first things first, let's just put our bolt in. Yeah, so click on bolt, open, and that's put that in our model space. So if I just click anywhere, right, okay, as you can see, that F there means it's fixed. Okay, so that's in a fixed position, that ain't going nowhere. Alright, and what we want to do is, we don't want that. So what we want to do is, we want to right click and go float. Okay, so if it's something that's floated, you can move it around wherever you want in the model space. If it's fixed, it's self-explanatory, you can't move it anywhere. Okay, so let's just play around for a second. Let's go to our evaluate tab there, and let's have a look at some of these tools. Okay, so we've got measure. You have that in a part as well, so we can just flip that round, measure that. It comes in quite handy, 30mm, when you're measuring in assemblies between part and part. Okay, various other simulation analysis, all that kind of stuff. Okay, you got mass properties, so if I click on the part and go mass properties, it's telling me 1.11 grams. Okay, all that kind of stuff we'll look more into as we go along. Alright, so if we go up to our assembly here, and then we've also got this move component tool. If you click on the arrow, you can either move it like that, free drag, or other options there, or rotate, so we can rotate that one like that. Okay, so we've got that in there. Right, now we want to put our nut in. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go to our insert components up there, click on that. It's already given us our folder, so we'll click nut and open that. Alright, and we'll just drag that in there. As you see, that isn't fixed. It's because it always by default automatically fixes the first part you insert. Okay, alright, so let's rotate that around. A good little tip for you as well, when you put parts in, before you mate them, I always tend to move the components close to where you're going to be mating them. So for example, in this one, we're going to want to mate this face concentric with this round face here. Okay, obviously. So first things first, we want to click our mate. Okay, and we want a concentric mate, so we want to select this face here and this face here. Okay, tick that and tick that. Now they run concentric. When you get used to relations and sketching, you'll get used to the mates as well, because it's all the same terminology and means the same things. You can get deeper into mates, but for this sort of stuff, it's fairly simple. Okay, so now that's that. Alright. So now what other mates have we got? We can say select this face here and this face here coincident, like that, and if we tick that, that'll just stay where it is. Or we can select a distance, so by clicking on this sign here, we can put a distance of it of say 15mm or 20mm. Okay, and you've got your nut and bolt. Alright, okay, so that's how you mate two parts together.